What to say?
I'm gonna be on a party.
After P, we're gonna go in the party?
Yes.
I don't think so. We do have party?
Yes.
Mommy didn't got any invitation from party today.
Yes.
We have no party. Who's gonna have party?
Ivana.
Oh my god. Do you like party?
Yes.
Do you like party every day?
Yes.
Oh my god. Talk. No. You talk. You talk. Talk to me.
Uh-oh, it's getting red.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's counting. That's counting the number.
High five.
Say hi. Kumusta? Say Kumusta. Kumusta.
Oh, Mama.
Say it again.
Oh,
Kumusta.
what?
Kumusta.
Gugana.
Gua.
Gua.
Pa. Say guapa.
Pabigla.
I know. You just wanna play. You know how to speak guapa. Pa.
Pa.
Ngit. Pangit.
Masuyoda.
You're not making good. Speak. Don't play that. Say hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody watching.
Hi, Philippines.
Philippine watching.
Say Philippines.
Philippine watching.
Ako
Uncle.
ay
I.
Li.
Ako.
Ako.
I love you. Ako love you.
Ako
Ako.
ay
I.
Li.
Li.
Pi.
Pi.
Na.
Na.
Pilipina.
Pin gugugaga.
Ako ay Pilipina.
Gugugaga.
Hoy. You must learn how to speak our language. You're just making a joke.